hope you are doing absolutely fine. Today's video is going to be all about whatever it takes to make a full stack MERN project, and it's going to also cover my journey, how I started all my things and how much did it took me to get to the point where I am right now. So let's get started. So here we are, guys. This is how I started my journey. I started with this course over here by Dr. Angela. I got the overall basics from it, like how do you have to frame our projects and what all the technologies does this project constitute of. So it took me around 6 months to complete this course with practicing each and everything. After that, I began practicing and doing projects from YouTube, such as this is the channel over here. It's called Llama Dev. He has really beautiful projects, and all of those are industry scale projects. So you can just directly showcase your projects into your resume from if you practice from this guy. After that, I also practiced some data structures and algorithms from this Apna College course. It's called Alpha. It basically covers everything, including all the data structures, the basics of Java, and completing with dynamic programming. So this is what all I have done. I started my journey around the January of last year, and currently I've completed all of these things. There were ups and downs in between, but here I am right now. So here we are now. This site is basically a site for book reviewers. If you read a book, you find it interesting, you go onto this site, write a review about it. Also, you can at the same time log in and register. You can also write the book about, like, obviously. And here are a few book reviews that we'll open up. So this is the author's name and the name of book. You can also add a picture, etc. This also has a login register thing, so you can log in your user as such. So if I log in into the site, you then can write yourself a book review, and see. You can also post a pic as such and publish. As soon as you publish, this book review goes into the database, and you can check it out at the home also. Here it is, the new book review. But how does all of this thing works? Okay, so let's get into the code of this. Here we are. This is the home element which you are seeing right over here. Okay, this consists of the technologies from React, and this is over here. These are the few components which have their own code going on. And here we have our Axios, which gets all the data from the database post section, which is why we can see all those posts over here. Now, if you think about login, so our login has a few things. This is all the styling and HTML section that we have got over here, as you can see. So this is our handle submit function, which gets all those data, all the 2 fields of data that you have over here. And this data is sent to the backend, which is running over here, as you can see. This is the MongoDB running connected and the backend running. So all this data from the front end goes back all over to here. And here, when we are in the login section, all this data is checked if the credentials are right or not, if the password is right or not, and if it is right, so we give a thumbs up, which is status 200. This is how all of this thing works. And how do we connect to database is that we have our mongoose function, mongoose.connect, which enables this link over here. This enables the link to connect our project, and hence we can send all of our data through it by using functions and methods from Express called app use, etc., etc. And this is all it takes to get a project over here, and all of our users. I'll give you an insight into our database from MongoDB. So here is this database. So here we have our blog as collection, and it comprises of category, posts, and users as the tables inside them. So from users, we have this listed number of users over here, and we can see their password because I have encrypted it from a project. And for the posts that you see right over here, you can find all of these inside this post. Like right here, you can see eternal echoes, and here we have our eternal echoes. So and we also have categories which are like horror, comedy, romance listed over here, as you can see. So this was a very brief info and very brief understanding of how this project looks from the top view, like the bird's eye view. I hope you got something out of this video, and that was all, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.